So it's a little different. Instead of cooking with Papa, we're gonna be cooking with me today. I'm gonna be cooking cowboy crack for the first time. So don't judge me if I mess it up, I'm sorry. All right, so first we're gonna start off with the regular Jimmy Dean premium pork sausage. And we're gonna get that open. Maybe, if I can get it open. All right, so we're gonna take it over here to the pan. Light it on high. All right. We're gonna cook this until all the pink is gone, and then I'm gonna add some seasoning, a little bit of taco seasoning, a little bit of the Papa seasoning, and a little accent, a little pepper. Alright, so I'm going to take it off the stove, and then I've got my 1/4 cup of water, so I'm going to add my taco seasoning. Okay. And then I'm going to come back over here, and I am going to stir it in until all the water is absorbed. I'm going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Till all that water is absorbed. Alright, so after I mix this in a little bit, I'm going to add a little bit of Papa seasoning to it. Okay. I'm going to stir it. And then once I'm done stirring it, I am going to put it off to the side so that way that the taco seasoning, everything can marinate in it while I go finish everything else for it. Alright, that's about good. Alright guys, so we are going to start on our next part of the cowboy crack. So we've got 2 things of 8-ounce cream cheese. We will be adding 2 cans of Rotel. Our family likes a little spice, so we have a little spice for it. Now y'all can do the original if y'all want. We're also going to do 2 cups the mozzarella cheese. And then we also have a bag of white corn. So after we mix that all together, we're going to go stick that in the smoker. We're going to mix it in with the sausage, stick it in the smoker. We're going to smoke that for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, about at 225 with hickory pellets. And that's going to give it that smoky taste. It's good. Alright y'all, we're going to add about a cup and a half of corn. Then we're going to add our 2 8 ounces of cream cheese. I love cream cheese. Alright guys, so I didn't show you this before, but the best thing to do is to cube your cream cheese. So then we are going to add our mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of it. Go ahead and add that in. We're going to add our 2 cans of Rotel. Alright, so now we are going to head over to our skillet and add our sausage in. Ooh, that smells good. Alright, once you do that, you're going to give it a little mix around. Sure we get it all even. Alright guys, now we're going to head out to the smoker where the magic happens. So we're going to head out to the smoker. Alright, we are going to head over to the smoker where Papa normally makes magic happen, but it's my turn. All right, so we are gonna stick this in here. Again, we're gonna let this cook, smoke, it's a smoker, for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I normally check it about an hour, give it a good stir. Again, it's on 225 and with hickory pellets or hickory wood chips, whatever is your smoker takes. But yeah, so come back and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, let's go stir this cowboy crack. All right, guys, it's been about an hour, so we're gonna go in here, kind of stir it up a little bit. That cream cheese is all melted. All right, guys, got that all stirred up, so we're gonna let that sit in there for about another hour, maybe a half an hour, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, we're gonna go check on the cowboy crack. It should be done. Whew, it's cold. All right, it's good. We're all done. We're about to take it out and enjoy. Thank you for joining us on Cooking with Megan this time, not Papa. All right, guys, we're gonna leave the recipe down in the description for y'all. Enjoy.